Hi everyone, I'm Erwin, founder of TreadShare, an app created with a simple mission: reduce traffic and carbon emissions to help protect the mountains we all love. TreadShare makes carpooling easy by connecting drivers and riders heading in the same direction, allowing you to share the cost at the same time and make your commute more sustainable. It's not just about getting to work, it's also about building connections. Carpooling is a fantastic way to meet your fellow A-Basin team members. You can even carpool outside of work with the same TreadShare account. So here is your invite to join the TreadShare community today. Download the app and start carpooling with your coworkers at A-Basin. Together, we can make a big impact for a better future. Thank you.
Hi A-Basin crew, I'm Adrienne and I'm going to show you how to use TreadShare. Once you download the app, you're going to create your account. It's quick and easy. Make sure to allow for push notifications. Those are going to be necessary so that you don't miss any reservation requests or messages between rider and driver. Once logged in, follow the prompts, complete your profile. And just so you know, your last name will not be public and is only shared once a carpool is confirmed, so don't be shy. All right, now that your profile is set up, you can immediately book a ride in just a few clicks. First, you're going to click on the Vehicle tab. Then you're going to swipe left to your private group. You can look up available rides and message your driver or send a reservation request directly. On the Message tab, you're going to notice this red bell. That means your driver has not accepted your reservation yet. You can chat with your driver anytime, before and after the reservation is made. Okay, so now you want to be a driver. Cool. To post your drives in empty seats, you're going to follow the prompts to the driver section and get approved. Once approved, you are now able to post your drives in just a few clicks. You can add stops along the way, adjust the price to help cover costs of driving your vehicle, and add other details. Maybe just a nice little description. Something fun you should know is that TreadShare lets you carpool anywhere in Colorado at any time, either with your coworkers in your private group or with your fellow Coloradans in the public TreadShare community. Excited to see you in the carpool lane.